are you doing today? Guess what time it is? It's that time. It is almost March. No, it is March, and that means I've got my Simply Earth monthly recipe subscription box. So come on inside and let's see what Simply Earth has in store for us for the month of March. For today? Well, since it's March, my Simply Earth monthly recipe subscription box is here, and I can't wait to open it up and see what the theme is for March, what new oils I get to learn how to incorporate into my daily life. I do have a bit of a bigger box because I ordered something new from Simply Earth. Oh my goodness. And my new essential oil diffuser came from Simply Earth that I just ordered. Oh, I can't wait to use this. I had an older diffuser and I just love the look of this one. And so yes, I am excited to start using this. My diffuser I keep in my office and I run it quite often with some of my favorite recipes as I'm working because I feel like it just helps keep me in the Zen place. And yeah, so I love diffusers, and this one is pretty stinking cool. And along with that, I have the Simply Earth recipe book. Oh my goodness. This is a book that you can get on Simply Earth's website, and it has a bunch of different recipes for your diffuser, for roll-ons, you name it. It is kind of like all of those recipe cards combined into a book, which I absolutely love. But honestly, I can't wait to see what Simply Earth has in store for us for the month of March for 2023 and what recipes I can whip up for you for today. So let's get to it. The month of March. What does Simply Earth have in store for us? Well, let's see. In each month's box, Simply Earth is going to provide you with this here newsletter, and it is going to tell you the theme of the month. The theme this month is face care. It's going to list the oils, the extras that are provided in the box, and the recipes, and some other fun facts, because why not? This month, we've got 6 new recipes. Let's see what they are. An exfoliating face wash, a gentle face cleanser. I always love a new roll-on, and this month we've got a beauty roll-on. With that face care, you always need a good toner, and we have got a Beauty Within toner. Wait a minute, we can't forget the face mask. So here we have got a pure clarifying face mask. And I love a good new diffuser blend, and this month we've got a Spring Rain diffuser blend. Each month, Simply Earth provides you with these labels. These are stickers that you can label each of your oils and the recipes that are provided in this month's box. This month's oils, we've got a Beauty Within, a lemon eucalyptus. How about a tea tree oil? And we've got a small bottle of coriander. Some of the extras that Simply Earth has provided us this month with is this rose clay. This would be, I'm guessing, for the face mask. An exclusive face wash powder by Simply Earth. And lastly, we've got a witch hazel. That's always good for a face toner. You'll see on each of the recipe cards, here are the items that Simply Earth provided in your box. And then you'll see this little house icon. Well, those are the items that you'll need from home. I like to pick these small containers up from Dollar Tree. They usually come in like an 8 or a 10 pack, and I find that these are perfect for a lot of the Simply Earth recipes. In this container, I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of Simply Earth's face wash powder. To the face wash powder, I'm gonna add a half a teaspoon of the rose clay. To make this a mask, we're gonna need to add a bit of Simply Earth's almond oil, and I'm gonna add just a 1/4 teaspoon. And for scent, how about a drop of the tea tree oil? I'm gonna give this a nice good stir. I deviated from the recipe because it just seemed a bit too dry, and added a bit more of the almond oil, stirred it up, and I was happy with the consistency after that. Look how easy it was to make an exfoliating facial wash. We've got a label here for that, and this here label is gonna fit perfectly on the side. What's great about using this container is you can remake it as needed for this recipe. And so there we go. It's got a place for the date too if you need it, if you're gonna store it or gift it. Next up, I'm gonna be showing you just how easily you can make a gentle facial cleanser. We're gonna be using more of the Simply Earth facial wash powder, and that is another 2 teaspoons. We're gonna add another 1/4 teaspoon of almond oil. And this time, let's go with the Beauty Within essential oil. And that is all there is to a gentle face cleanser. A lid here, and we've got a tag right on top. And there we have it, a gentle face cleanser. How about a pore clarifying face mask? For this recipe, we're gonna need a 1/2 tablespoon of the rose clay. Now, I don't have the 1/2 tablespoon, so I'm just gonna guess. To this rose clay, we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of the witch hazel, a 1/2 tablespoon, of more almond oil. And for this one, we're gonna go with a drop of the lemon eucalyptus. We can't forget our handy sticker. Thank you, Simply Earth. And there we have a pore clarifying face mask. Do you want me to show you just how easily you can do a Beauty Within toner? For this recipe, I'm gonna be using one of these smaller containers. This is a container that comes in your bonus box that you're gonna get every 6 months for recipes like this one. This recipe calls for 4 drops of the Beauty Within essential oil, 1 drop of the tea tree, 1 ounce of the witch hazel, and we're gonna top this bottle off with more of, yes, Simply Earth's almond oil. Place the cap on there, give it a nice good shake to incorporate all those oils together. We've got a label here that is going to fit perfectly on this bottle for our Beauty Within toner. Now, to apply this to your face, you're just gonna need a cotton ball. Did I tell you? I did, but I'm gonna tell you again. I love a good roll-on. This month, Simply Earth is giving us a recipe for a beauty roll-on. In your bonus box, again, you will receive 6 of these roll-on bottles. The insert pops right out, just like so, and we are ready to make our roll-on. Let's go with 2 drops of the tea tree. Another 2 drops, but we're gonna go with the Beauty Within for this. And look at there, we've got a recipe using the coriander, and this needs 1 drop of the coriander. And I'm gonna top this roll-on bottle off with some coconut oil. This is another carrier oil. And yep, we do have a sticker for the roll-on. And there we have got a beauty roll-on. Now, when you use the roll-ons, it is best applied to the pulse points, and I like to add it right here to my wrist. One of the main pulse points, easy access, and it's gonna get the job done. We've got a water measuring cup, our plug. Oh, can I just tell you, I love the feel and the look of this. Oh, this is gorgeous. It plugs in here at the bottom. Let's lift up the top here. Oh, and then here is where we place the waters and the oils. We've got a max fill line here. That is where we are going to fill our diffuser with distilled water. Distilled water is definitely the way to go with this. So for this diffuser blend, we're gonna go with 2 drops of the Beauty Within. Now you're gonna put that right into the water. How about 3 drops of the coriander? And 1 drop of the lemon eucalyptus. Let's go ahead and power this on. And it gives you an option for a half an hour, 2 hours, or 4 hours. And you can even turn lights on. Ooh, look at that. There are lights on it. I love that. And it kind of like, the colors change there. And you can see that we are diffusing. And look at how pretty that is there in the top. Simply Earth, I love this new diffuser. I am so excited about this one. Oh, look at how pretty the different colors are. Oh, now this is sold separately. This does not come with your subscription box, so just keep that in mind. Nonetheless, a diffuser is a great way to infuse those essential oils into the air that you can breathe in, into whatever room you're in, and it's just gonna help you, relax. Oh my word, can I just tell you? I am loving the theme of this box. I love the facial cleansers, the scrubs, the masks, and I love that I can do it using all natural items. If you're interested in receiving one of Simply Earth's monthly recipe subscription boxes, you can find the link to my coupon code, guess where? In the description box below, where you will receive a $40 gift card via email only after you've ordered your first recipe subscription box, and that really is buy 1 box, get 1 free. You can't beat it. And along with that recipe box, you're gonna get the bonus box that is valued at $50, and it is designed to give you some of the essentials that you need to complete the recipes in each month's box. Again, you can find the link to my coupon code in the description box below. I absolutely love Simply Earth. I've been with them for about 5 years now. I love everything that they stand for and everything they support. Fun fact, 13% of their proceeds goes toward the fight of human trafficking, and that is a cause that I love to support. If you're interested in seeing more of Simply Earth's recipe boxes, go ahead and click on the link right over here and it'll take you to some of my past unboxings. Until next time, everybody, I hope you have a fantastic day. Happy everything on a budget. Happy incorporating essential oils into your daily life. Stay happy, stay safe, stay healthy, but most of all, you know what I'm gonna say. Stay positive, please, because I sure as heck am trying. Bye for now, everybody.